Hello, my little artists! Are you ready to draw some super cool electronic gadgets today? Let's grab our paper and a black marker, and let's start drawing.
Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub.
First, let's draw a laptop. Draw a big rectangle for the display. Great! Now draw another rectangle under it for the keyboard area. Inside the keyboard, draw small keys and a touchpad. Now let's make it cute. Draw two cute eyes on the screen. Draw a small, smiling mouth. Wow, our laptop looks so happy. Now let's draw a headphone. Draw two rounded earpieces on both sides. Connect them with a big arc-shaped handle on top. Draw cute eyes and smiling mouth. Aw, such a happy headphone! Next, let's draw a video game set. Draw a rectangle. Draw a smaller rectangle inside for the screen. Now draw the buttons on the sides. Now draw cute eyes and smiling mouth. Awesome gaming buddy! Now let's draw a smartphone. Draw a tall rectangle. Draw another rectangle inside for the display. Draw the buttons. Make it cute. Draw two eyes. Draw a smiling mouth. Nice job, everyone! Our drawing is complete. Now let's make the outline bold and sharp to make our artwork pop. Looking awesome! Isn't it beautiful?
Yay!
Now it's time to color. Let's show our color pens. We will use rainbow colors. Red color.
Wow!
Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Purple color. Pink color.
La da 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 dee.
Awesome coloring, everyone! You did an amazing job today. If you enjoyed drawing with me, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Toddlers Art Hub. See you in the next fun drawing video. Bye-bye.
Yay! Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.